Hi, Don. Got your plan open. Thanks for sharing it with me. I assume this is the artifact you're speaking of. I looked all around the house and I didn't see any others, so that I assume that must be it. I'm gonna zoom back in on it. The thing to do is click on it. You said you couldn't select it. Well, all I did was left click on it. Now I don't need this particularly. I want the other one, so I'm going to keep clicking until I get the wall polyline, and then I'm just going to left click drag and pull it down into the roof. That's it. Fixed. So I think that's it. And I'm sorry I make it look easy, but I don't know. All I did was I altered this wall polyline, and that's it. So I hope that's this roof is wrong. Wonder why those aren't the. Oh, okay, I see now why you have it like that. Never mind. Ooh, that's going to be kind of. You need to put a roof cricket in there. That's going to be problematic. Okay, well, that's it for tonight. That ought to take care of you, at least for what you asked me about. And thanks for calling on me. I appreciate it.